So, good morning to all of you. So, first let me introduce myself. I am Nageshwar Rao Nidamanuri. I am the president of Csbs group of educational institutions, Ongole. Now, our computer science engineering department is quite a big department in our college with good intake. Total only CSC and CSC related branches, the total intake is 960. Out of that, 480 seats only in computer science and engineering. The other 480 in the elite branches like artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science, business systems, IoT and cyber technology, security, and computer science and information technology, and artificial intelligence and data science. You can look at the strength of the institution with such a large intake of 960 seats in one computer science and related subjects only. So it shows a lot of responsibility even for the department and also the management. Having seats is not sufficient. We have to definitely see that they are all given sufficient facilities. Of course, you all know that in Csbs group of institutions, we never compromised in providing the infrastructure or the equipment or the lab facilities or the library, like that. Whatever is required for the student, that is our first priority. Student is the first person to be given importance in the institution, and we have been working for the last 24 years in the same fashion. And that is the reason I can say, definitely that is the reason why the organizations like AICTE and the university have got lot of faith on us and provided this much intake. Not that this much intake is sanctioned for everyone, unless they have got that confidence on the institution and the organization to provide the facilities, educational facilities. That means educational facilities, you know, it envisages everything. The required built-up areas and particularly the labs, very good labs. You can look at the labs provided particularly in the last 2-3 years. We provided very good infrastructural facilities, particularly for the computer science branch and allied subjects. So our labs are really amazing, and that also shows the placement record. Even the placements, for example, here now in computer science and engineering, we have got 300 seats. That is who came to final year. I am talking of the strength at our first year and second year stages. These people to come to final year, it takes some time. Right now at final year we have got about 300 students. Out of 300, you will wonder about the placements. 230 people are already placed in good MNCs with very good packages, very good companies. And the other 50 students, they gave in writing that they want to do MS in US and other countries. That's why they have not opted for placements or training, because they want to go away. Similarly, there are people who are interested in higher education even in India. So that is about 20 people they gave in writing. So this is the breakup of our 300 final year students. Out of the 230 placed already in MNCs, very good MNCs with very good packages, and the other 70 people, they want to do higher studies, and they want to do some research, they want to do higher studies at US, UK, something like that. This is the breakup, and this placement record itself shows the good work done by the institution. Work done by the institution, you mean that it carries everything. Management part and our staff, particularly dedicated staff, unless they do good work, we can't achieve these things. And even the placement wing. We have got very good training facilities. Even the training is imparted by the people from companies who are already working in senior positions. They used to come to the campus, give the training related to their own technology domain of that particular company. That is company related training. And that is the reason why these many people could be placed. Not only computer science I am talking about, because in this context we are only talking about the computer science department. Otherwise, even in the other departments like electronics and communication engineering, EEE, mechanical, etc. also they are placed. So that's why the total strength of the people placed in the college itself is 1,050. The other, leaving these 300 people, the 750 people are in the other branches. They are also very good record of placement. So this is what I can say. And coming to the facilities, as I said, we provide everything what are required for the laboratories or the computers or the library facilities and training facilities, particularly training facilities, because nowadays that plays a vital role. Training facilities, not like the normal teaching level. It is not normal teaching, it is beyond that. Okay. So this is what I wanted to tell you. As I already introduced, I am the president of the organization Csbs group of institutions, and I have been working for the last 20 years, and I am a retired chief engineer in irrigation, retired in 2002. Now we are talking in 2022. For the last 20 years, I have been working for the uplift of this particular organization. And I am really thankful to our dedicated staff who are responsible for this development of the organization, for the development of the department, for the placement record and all that. Thank you very much.
Hello my dear students, hello to all. I am very happy to come before you today to relate myself to this field of computer science engineering first, and also my special energies towards this field. So as you all know, CSE is my field of study, my field of research, my field of passion and beyond. So you all know that today computer science engineering field is dominantly playing predominant role in this world. It is in every field of education, field of research, field of production, field of decisions, etc., etc. You all know that. That's where computer science engineering is everywhere in everything. So you all are proud, we all are proud that we are into everything. And let us take advantage of our field prominence in this world. That's what the first word I want to tell you. Next, how this field, this predominance to be looked into by a computer science engineering student at education level. What should be the vision of this student to see further? Computer science engineer first see a simple perspective that our goal is to understand every data information existence in this universe, every type of data information existence, and to make effective mechanisms to process it effectively and give appropriate techniques to infer and decide in the real world. As you all know that in the real world everything is decision making. Whether you make a product, whether you decide and act, everything is a decision making, and such decision making from data and information is done using your quantitative, qualitative techniques of math and the inferential statistical methods to infer and decide. That's where computer science engineer is playing role in every field: science, engineering, humanities and whatnot. So my dear friends, as computer science engineers, let us be simple. Let us understand our roles, our responsibilities. That's where our jobs are. The world, if you look into, in the entire global economy, entire revolution and the economy prominence is going in computing area. Either your products, day-to-day products is also influenced by computing. You will go to industries, the way they are manufactured, the way they are processed, the way the things are optimized, everything dependent on computing. So think anything is in computing. So even mechanical engineers, civil engineers, even psychology people in psychology programs, even in economics, even legal education, management education, or take anything. Everything is about effective decision making in the respective field. Whatever the observations made there, that has to be inferred and decided to make into products or to give the services. Okay, so as computer science engineers, we are proud that we are everywhere, and now let us take the advantage of our prominence, convert that to our success. In that perspective, I advise you all to be simple, learning your computer data processing techniques. That is a simple thing, where your programming languages comes into picture, your data structures comes into picture to handle the data, then to process your mathematical quantitative and qualitative methods comes into picture, then inferential analysis, etc. Inferential analysis may be descriptive, predictive, prescriptive, analytical methods. You have statistics and beyond. Based on that only your machine learning, because traditional learning is done through this statistical methods and observations, and the same thing you are using machine or computers and making your models, and that's where you are doing machine learning, and then going artificial intelligence compared to your traditional intelligence. Everything is the same scope. Whatever, end of the day again coming to, it's a programming, taking, understanding data, handling data, processing data, and making certain decisions over it. This is the only thing we do. So my dear friends, you all understand programming languages, data structures, and these type of simple things, including statistics, will change your dimension of opportunities. Okay, again, these simple things will change your opportunities. Try to be perfect in these areas, and now you should understand how these are applied, because these are the only things from where you are applying. Maybe in the field of AI, in the field of designs, in the field of something else. QIS got every single facility here. If you take about a product development, you have testing labs, analytical labs, design labs. You have, for example, Dassault lab is a design lab. Analytical labs, you have so many. You have, analytical labs, I said, design, testing labs, so many testing labs are there. Material testing labs are there. Even software testing lab is also there. You try to see the other labs you have here. Automation labs, which is a smart initiative. So why I am saying this? Today every industry, every product is industry 5.0 or beyond. That means smart product or smart process. In this, automation is playing a major role. We have a lot of automation labs, like National Instruments is one of the prominent automation and smart lab initiative. We have Intel, same thing, because all smartness comes from acquisition of data, processing of data and controlling of objects. National Instruments lab, you can do whatever the purpose you have in automation. Same thing we have Intel lab also, Intelligent lab. There also you have all these techniques to do it. Whether you use it Intel technology or whether you use it National Instrument technology, you have both labs to accomplish your purpose of automation, maybe power automation, this industrial automation or robotics. Everything can be done in these two labs. In addition to that, we have applied robotic lab, which gives you exposure towards types of robots, understand the structure of robots, purpose of robots, etc. So see how much advantage you have if you can go through all this. And my dear friends, we are very happy to say that we have everything here. Only thing you should know how to take advantage for your learning. Okay, let me point out. And please take advantage of every program. If you need information, you can come and contact our skilling head or entrepreneurship head, innovation head, and try to know the specialized labs you have for that and try to learn. And another important thing I want to say, you have total industrial prototype, industry or industrial prototype existing in the campus. Please contact EEE department, Mauli Chandra, to understand what that lab is and try to get advantage from it, understanding the industrial process here itself without going to any other industry, to understand products and services which a computer science engineer or any engineer can work on. So next, now I want to say that this year placements, if you look into, we have product development side opportunities, we have software service opportunities, and so many categorical types of opportunities for computer science engineers. See, there are certain categories where you can have 4 to 4.5 lakh. Now let us see, it's more finance and academics even in the personal life. So you want to catch up higher packages. So then what you have to do? Yeah, I want to go to a service company, it's okay. 4.5 lakh or 5 lakh, in that range. Or I want to be a real product developer, understand the product making and beyond. You can go to 15 lakh, 30 lakh and beyond. See, this year QIS, our package opportunities are growing very much. We are going to 10 lakh packages, comfortably 7 lakh packages, so many, above 5.5, 6 lakh, so many, and other things. So in the coming days, our target is to make 30 to 50 lakh packages happen to a greater extent, for which we have aligned all these infrastructure needed at this point of time, and making appropriate courses on campus. My dear students, please take advantage. Now another point, if you want to know the experience already happening, take from your outgoing batch. All students are second year, first year, third year. Take from outgoing batch their experiences in accomplishment. And again, dear outgoing batch, congratulations to you all. You have got very good opportunities. You all got placed. and I hope you will try to catch up bigger things in life. And my wishes to you all to be highly successful. We are here to give you even in continuity in training, because once you are out, you need continuity in training to reach higher level. We are here for you, and we are coming up with even online degree courses which will add value to you, thinking your future. We will try to design and come up with this. This is what we want to tell. And dear students who are now getting into final year, current third years, this is a crucial time for you. Please try to catch up. Know best experience, as I said already mentioned, know the best experiences from our friends. Final year, going out people, they have all the experiences, and they will be your mentors, I hope. And that's it. And second year and first year, you all should gear up. They are seniors. Your third year people have some experiences to reach there, and going out people, even your alumni people, you have to take some advices. And I hope you all will do well. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. I love you all. Thank you.
Very good morning to all and all. I am very happy to address the students and faculty of Department of Computer Science and Engineering on the occasion of bidding farewell to the final students by the Department of Csb. It is a very good habit, tradition followed by the department in order to establish cordial relationship among the teachers, students of the department towards the outgoing final year students. Exactly 4 years ago, when you admitted into our academic system, we promised to all your parents saying that we will be able to mold your son or daughter in the form of a right engineering graduate in order to serve the society as a good citizen of India. To become good citizen of India, all students should acquire 3 important qualities. Number 1, discipline. Whenever I address the student, I always concentrate on the self-discipline among the student community. Unless we acquire self-discipline, we acquire self-determination, commitment, whatever the percentage of marks you obtain during your graduation, it becomes a total waste. That is why you are required to maintain self-discipline as long as you are pursuing your graduation program. Number 2, academics. Dear children, there is a tremendous competition outside the world. Unless you are having grip, you are having command, you are having knowledge over the fundamentals of the subject, it is very difficult to shine in your interviews. That is why since inception of your first year 4 years ago, we tried to impart quality education since first year. Thereby, the quality education reflecting your placements held very recently. And our motto is not only to give right academics, but also to give the academics as per the industry needs. That is why, since beginning of the first year, first semester, by incorporating different modules in our academic system, by inviting industry experts, we are teaching the courses along with regular academics that helps many of our students to get very good placements with high pay package in various MNC companies. The third important parameter I would like to remind all of you, after your graduation, you are going to join somewhere in a software industry or a good position in government sector. Wherever you are representing QIS, College of Engineering and Technology. That is the ultimate reflection you are giving in the society. Already we are having enough brand image, brand name in the society. Our intention is, our request is to continue this brand name, brand image in the society by your actions when you go for a job after completing your graduation. Thereby, your juniors will get ample opportunities from the company wherever you are working. They come forward voluntarily for doing placement drive in your campus to pick good number of students. Not only that, while doing service in that organization, whatever the problems you come across, for those problems, you give solutions. The solution becomes advice to the junior students of the department. Thereby, once your juniors complete graduation, before they go for job or any industry, they will be readily available in all aspects to meet the industry demands. That is the way the alumni relations should establish. Thereby, through alumni relations, you can advise the students, you can guide the department, you can help the department teachers. Thereby, that reflects the performance of any outgoing student in terms of giving brand image to the department, in terms it gives further brand image to the institution wherever you pursued your graduation program. Friends, with this small my advice, I wish good luck for your future endeavors. Thank you very much.
ತಾಡೆ ಹೂಗೆ ಉಯ್ಯಾಲ ಕರಿಗೆ ಮನಸೆ ಮರಿಗಿ ಪೋನಿ ಲಾವಾಲ ಆಯುಧವೇ ಆಗ್ರಹಾಲ ಜ್ವಾಲ రగిలే చూపులు మౌన శంఖారావంలా ఎగసే ఊపిరి ఇంత పేరి నాదంలా నిర్జించారా దౌర్జన్యాన్ని వేడా సైన్యమై
திட்டிடாதே ஏன்னா பே பழசெல்லாம் பறந்து போயாச்சே பே அந்த சிரிப்பை நிறுத்திடாதே ஏன்னா பே இனி அதுதான் மாய வேலை நாயாச்சே இனி நான் உன்னை என் கண்ண போல பார்த்துக்க போறேன் துணையா காத்த அந்த மழைய கூட சேர்த்துக்க போறேன் உனக்கு இதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்க போறேன் ஏம்பே நீதான் ஊருக்கெல்லாம் தெரிவிக்க போறேன் அன்பே என்பே நீதானே எந்த நண்பே நீதானே என்பே என்றாலே நீ எல்லாத்துக்கும் மேலே நீதானே என்பே என்பே நீதானே எந்த தெம்பே நீதானே முன்பே முன்பே வந்த என்பே நீதானே பே கண்ணால திட்டிடாதே ஏன்னா பே பழசெல்லாம் பறந்து போயாச்சே பே அந்த சிரிப்பை நிறுத்திடாதே ஏன்னா பே இனி அதுதான் மாய வேலை நாயாச்சே இனி நான் உன்னை என் கண்ண போல பார்த்துக்க போறேன் துணையா காத்த அந்த மழைய கூட சேர்த்துக்க போறேன் உனக்கு இதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்க போறேன் ஏம்பே நீதான் ஊருக்கெல்லாம் தெரிவிக்க போறேன் தருவேனே ஓ அக்கம் பக்கமா ஆளை இல்லாட்டி பக்கம் வரலாமே கண்ணி ஒரு வாட்டி புதுசா காதல பழகி பாக்குற நல்ல நேரம் எதுக்கு இடைஞ்சலா மயில் கணக்குல தூரம் காதல் சின்னமே ஒன்ன பார்க்கணும்னு கேட்டதா இங்க கொண்டு வந்தேனே அன்பே என்பே நீதானே எந்த நண்பே நீதானே என்பே என்றாலே நீ எல்லாத்துக்கும் மேலே நீதானே என்பே என்பே நீதானே எந்த தெம்பே நீதானே முன்பே முன்பே வந்த என்பே நீதானே பே கண்ணால திட்டிடாதே ஏன்னா பே பழசெல்லாம் பறந்து போயாச்சே பே அந்த சிரிப்பை நிறுத்திடாதே ஏன்னா பே இனி அதுதான் மாய வேலை நாயாச்சே இனி நான் உன்னை என் கண்ண போல பார்த்துக்க போறேன் துணையா காத்த அந்த மழைய கூட சேர்த்துக்க போறேன் உனக்கு இதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்க போறேன் ஏம்பே நீதான் ஊருக்கெல்லாம் தெரிவிக்க போறேன் முடிவும் நீ மூன்று காலம் நீ கடல் நீ கரையும் நீ காற்று கூட நீ மனதோரம் ஒரு காயம் உனை எண்ணாத நாள் இல்லையே நானாக நானும் இல்லையே வழியெங்கும் பல பிம்பம் அது நான் சாயத்தோடில்லையே உன் போல யாரும் இல்லையே நீதானடி நீதானடி நீந்தாமல் நான் மூழ்கி போனேன் நீதானடி வானில் மதி நீ அல்ல நான் தானே தேர்ந்தேன் பாதி காணகம் அது காணாமல் போனவன் ஒரு பாவை கால் தடம் அதை தேடாமல் தேர்ந்தவன்